Dr. Deukmedjian with the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who traveled all the way from the cold part of Canada, and he's enjoying our beautiful weather here in Florida, but he didn't come to Florida for the weather. He came here because he's had 30 years of back pain, and the pain started going down his right leg. Turns out he had some herniated discs that were torn, and we went in with the laser and the endoscope, and we repaired those discs with a procedure called the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. Now, these patients, where he comes from, they either go to Germany or they go to other places in the past where they get highly invasive spine surgery, where discs are removed completely and metal discs are put into the spine. He found us. And how do you feel after having your Deuk Laser Disc Repair?
I feel wonderful. No more sharp pains down my leg. Yeah, I'm a totally different person this morning. I could feel that I've had an operation on my back, but it's very, very minor pain. It's hardly any pain at all. Yeah, I feel great.
What was life like for you and your family before you had your back fixed here at Deuk Spine Institute?
I'm a hard worker and I love to work, and I've worked all my life, but every day was getting to the point where I would bend down for something and I feel the sharp pains coming down, so I had to stop and shake my leg a few times just to try to get rid of that pain. It was a daily procedure having pain. I'm a person who doesn't believe in painkillers, so I did inherit the pain all the time, and at the same time my life was getting to the point where I did not enjoy living anymore that much. I was just painful all the time.
How did your pain and suffering affect your family?
It affected in a negative way. I couldn't really control my temper all the time, so I spoke a few harsh words to my wife on a regular basis just because I had pain, and I couldn't help it. I had to relieve somehow. I will have a different life now.
Could you see yourself continuing life with that pain if you didn't have Deuk Spine Institute to help you?
I was looking for help all over. I was gonna go to Germany, and I did look into that, but I just did not feel right. Somebody cut me open. I was always under the impression that I may seize my back, so I won't be able to do nothing anymore. So I just held back and didn't do nothing until I found Dr. Deuk here down here. And that's when I really took advance and went ahead and looked for help down here.
So what's life going to be like for you now that your pain is gone?
I will continue work. I'll just try to control my work where I will not overdo my work anymore or work as hard anymore, but I'll still keep going and teaching the young fellas how to take care of a lot of my work. I will start enjoying life and family more. I feel a whole lot better, and it's only because of the help from Dr. Deuk.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Enjoy life.